Hello, future scientists! In Unit 3, Living and Growing, we will learn and know that humans have babies which change and grow into adults, and we will explore the idea of different stages of human growth. Just like the butterfly and frog, all humans go through the same life cycle. They are small at the start of their life. Over time, they grow bigger and their bodies change. When they are grown up, they often have children of their own. We will learn also about the scientific words baby, toddler, child, teenager, predict, and elderly person. Look at the pictures below showing people of different ages. Some are young and some are older. Can you put them in order, starting with the youngest? Which picture do you think should come first? Now, this is the correct order. First, it will start as a baby, then as a child, then will grow into a teenager, and grow into an adult, and becomes an elderly person. Now, this is called the human life cycle. The human body constantly develops and changes throughout the human life cycle. And because food provides the fuel for those changes. And these stages are during the infancy or baby stage, toddler to child, teenager to adolescent stage or the puberty stage, adolescence or the adult, and to elderly person stage. As humans grow up, their bodies change. When a baby is born, it cannot do anything for itself. Someone must take care of the baby. Babies change as they grow. They can do more and more and more things. Now, this baby cannot do things on its own. It needs lots of help. Okay? So, how do you help a baby? A baby needs a lot of help so it can survive and grow. This baby is about a year old and has just learned to walk. And on this stage, a baby can sit up, cry, crawl, and laugh. Now, this is a picture of a toddler. A toddler can walk, begin to feed himself or herself, and say some words like mama, baba. Now, this boy is a child just like you. He needs lots of help, but he can do many things for himself. A child can dress and feed himself or herself, can write and read, can even choose what clothes he or she wants to wear. Just like this little girl is about 6 years old and goes to school. A teenager, just like this girl, she's 14 years old, they are able to do many things without help. In this stage, they are learning to be grown-ups and think about what they will do when they are adults. They can go out on their own with friends, have a paper round, and cook for themselves. Teenagers are also called adolescents. During the puberty, a rapid growth and changes of the body take place. And also, teens tend to have a lot of energy to get out and get active. The adults, just like this woman, or like your mom and your dad, your parents are adults, okay? They can go to work and look after their children. Adults are very busy people and have to fit in lots of work throughout their day. Adults can reproduce, make their own families, and so continue the life cycle. And it is usually the longest stage of life, potentially lasting for many decades. In this stage, the elderly life cycle, usually the senior or elderly years are the period from age 51 until the end of life. This is an elderly person. He is texting on his mobile phone. How is he different to the other pictures of people growing up? Elderly people have worked hard during their lives. Now, their bodies are getting tired and need to rest more. And elderly people like to keep busy. Just like this lady is going to meet her friends and play bingo and other card games. An older person can look after grandchildren, show their children how to do things, and read them stories. So remember, this is called the human life cycle. It begins with the baby, the child, teenager, the adult, to the elderly. Watch this video to learn about how we grow up. In this worksheet, you will see different pictures. We will write something here that each person below can do as they grow up. Now, do you think you can tell someone that humans have babies which change and grow into adults? And can you compare similarities and differences between people of different ages? Like find or make comparisons between babies, toddlers, and children. Or can you answer questions about growing up through observation? Also, challenge yourself. As a child, what can you do for yourself? And share this in the class. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.